crimping machine. Follow me. Today, let's see how the hose crimping machine is manufactured. This is the hose crimping machine we always sell to our customers, but at first it looks like this way. We will assemble all the king parts on this box. This is the electric box. We will put it on the box of the hose crimping machine. Motor, directional control valve. This is the motor, this is the valves. We put them inside of the box. And this is the electric box. We put it outside of the box. This is the head of the hose crimping machine. These machines are used to manufacture the head of the hose crimping machine. For example, this is the material at first, and then we use this machine to make the thread inside of this, and after that we put this and this part together so that can make into this. When the welding and the painting job is finished, it is like this. This is the finished head of the hose crimping machine. We put it in this place. After this, the hose crimping machine is done.